Good day and thanks for joining us on the iGaming channel. Today, our program is about the top 7 casino marketing strategies to drive player signups in 2025. I'm building this video off the back of over 20 years experience in iGaming marketing as an affiliate media agency and former white label casino owner. So let's jump straight into it. The first strategy to make money in the casino marketing world is SEO optimized review content. So if you're an affiliate or an operator and you've got lots of content and it hasn't been properly SEO optimized, that's the quickest way to make money in online casino marketing. A few examples. Recently, we had a casino client that had been around for years, hundreds of affiliates, really successful, but they only had a few hundred words of content on their homepage. So just as a test sample, we optimized that for them, provided them with a new homepage, and that added $2,000 a day worth of organic traffic within a couple of days. ROI like that doesn't come along very often. So when I say SEO optimized content, I'm talking it's structured properly with a H1, H2, lots of H3s and H4s, interesting, authoritative information, cleanly written, localized, scores well in various different SEO tools that you can use to check this. Best practice tips: focus on long tail keywords, kind of 3-4 word phrases, 5-word phrases even. Typical term might be best US slot casinos 2025 or online casinos in Pennsylvania 2025, something like that. The more words in it, the easier it is and less competitive. And also those words convert better if you do your keyword research right and get the right long tail keywords. Typical SEO tools that we would use for that and recommend tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, Majestic, Moz, Google Keyword Planner is fairly useful as well. Make sure you structure your data. So try and use schema markup, graphs, tables, FAQs work particularly well at the bottom of landing pages. And don't forget to follow Google's best practice EE8T regulations. So add things like licensing disclosures, responsible gambling statements, and write like an expert with authority. So optimize for SEO, but don't keyword stuff it. Make it read natural. And if you're using AI to generate and optimize your content, make sure you proofread it and humanize it. Because if Google finds out it's AI, it doesn't go well. I've seen casino affiliates roll out sites with all AI, thinking they're doing really well, invest loads of money into backlinks. Google at one point sees the entire content's AI, breach of regulations, using automation to try and cheat Google, so the site's dead.